Hello, I'm Gavin Hoey. I'm one of the presenters on Adorama TV.
Hey guys, Daniel Norton here.
Hey there everyone, it's David Bergman here.
And Seth Miranda here.
I'm Wallace.
I'm Vanessa Joy, Adorama TV host.
I hope that everybody watching this is healthy. And if you're not, I hope that you get better very, very soon.
Everything is different now in ways that we couldn't have even imagined just a few weeks ago.
Things are going to get harder and harder.
A lot of you guys might be in a place where you're more isolated right now or can't go out and do the things that you necessarily want to do.
I'm going to keep going forward, just like the rest of the Adorama roster here.
We're not going anywhere, and we're going to be here to support you.
You can still be creative.
We want to know what you're creating out there, so hashtag everything, create no matter what.
Create no matter what.
Create no matter what.
With create no matter what, so we can find it. Make sure you tag Adorama.
Inspire other people to keep going. We have to know each other are still out there by putting out these messages of creativity and showing what we're doing by ourselves.
Keep taking photos, keep the enthusiasm going. It's going to be tough, it's not going to be easy, but it will end. We'll get there together.
And we're going to look at each other's work, talk to each other, keep the conversation going so that we can all be inspired during this time.
Please stay safe out there. Don't lose hope. We got this.
I want to remind you that it doesn't matter what you create, just create no matter what.